Hey guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at AMD stock, guys. So it's right at that spot where a structural break is about to happen. And as I have been saying over the last couple of days or weeks, even a week, not weeks, a week, that we are in a we're gonna stay in the choppiness here, right? Why so? Well, because we were trying to hold the structure at the level of 161 to $160 being bullish, but then I was saying that there's a 20 and 50 days moving average support sitting also with the structural support at 161 to $162, but at the same time I was seeing this supply zone, right? You can see $173 and $169 area was the sell-off zone. And so let me actually quickly show you that on hourly interval. And you can see today as well, right over there, this is getting sold off. So this is where the supply zone was, right? Then we came back up here because bulls were trying to hold that structural support at 161 to $162. Together with that, 50 and 20 days moving average, but we sold off again, right? Came back lower, tried to find support at the same level of 162 area, came back up into the same supply zone and got sold off again today. So you get my point, right? And that's what was leading me to say that this is going to stay choppy, right? Because structure is holding bullish, but sellers are just sitting right over there and they are pushing it lower. And that's what is leading us to this now today, additional this sell-off that is coming. It's right at that place where the structural break is just about to happen on AMD for the downside again. And that is this level of pretty much 161 and 85 cents. It almost happened, but I want to see this break 20 days moving average. And below that is a short play. And look, this is a huge red candle. So tomorrow, are we going to see a continuation of another flush? I'll have to see, but I'm interested in taking this play. And again, nothing is guaranteed. I would have my stop loss just above this somewhere blue box or 50 days moving average somewhere over there. But I want to see how the day closes around 20 days moving average. But right where we lose now, this 20 days moving average, that's where this short play would come in my opinion. And we would start to head lower because the structural break is just about to happen. It's just right at that place, all right? But anyways, it's not complicated, easy peasy. And let me take you to the 5 minutes interval actually. And we can take a look at a couple of other things as well. And you can see that, yeah, just complete in the supply zone, just sell off, right? I mean, it's just in the plain downtrend. There's nothing upside that I'm seeing on this, just a pure supply zone on AMD at this point here, guys. 1 hour interval, let's take a look at that. I showed you that before as well, but yeah, we lost 200 hours moving average as well, and that's where above that somewhere I would have my stop loss on this, but I'm just waiting for that 20 days moving average to also break, and then I'm interested. But also keep in mind that pullbacks may come, so that's what I'm watching. If where should I adjust my take position on this? But yeah, this is somewhere, as I just gave you the area and the structure, that's where, as if it breaks, it's a game to the downside. And also this 164 is a resistance, 100 and this area of 162 to 163 is a resistance right now. AMD has much more downside in my opinion now in coming days. Again, if AMD wants to become upside again or want to confuse us again or go get choppy again, right? And that's what the choppiness is all about. As I have been saying, there's so much supply is sitting up there, but structure is trying to hold bullish, right? That's what led us to this choppiness that I have been saying. So, but if AMD wants to get bullish again, we need to get above 164 and 27 cents, all right? So that's AMD. It's not even complicated. I just want to talk about this here, right? And yeah, so seems like this thing may continue a little bit lower more. All right. That was AMD. I just want to show you NVIDIA. I did a video on NVIDIA already this morning, guys. Talking about if it's a pullback or a distribution phase, pullback or a top information, and you can see that it's still trying to hold itself up here, right? This is the time when I did that, when the candle was right at 50 moving average, and we got a push to the upside, resisted at today is almost close to high, a little bit selling off, but NVIDIA will again make structure bearish on intraday only, not, well, when I say bearish, I mean downside a little bit more, pullback or cool off only if we break below $1,106. Remember though, structure all in all is still bullish, quite bullish, like we are above 20 days moving average. But that will be just intraday, some more confirmed cool off if we break below that level of 1106. Otherwise, yeah, this is just was, as we talked about, above the channel, above 1106, just a long play. We got that, and if any pullback comes, this still has a potential to just keep it as inverted head and shoulder at above $1,106. All right, so that's NVIDIA. Just before wrapping up this video, guys, I wanna actually take you quickly over Broadcom as well, because I don't think I'm gonna get time to talk about Broadcom in a separate video. And yeah, so you can see Broadcom, yeah, is selling off, and that was the breakout structure at $1,377. And I expect Broadcom to continue lower as well, in my opinion, down to somewhere like 1200 is a possibility on this thing. Yeah, let's take a look at Intel. We haven't taken a look at Intel for quite some time. Yeah, poor thing, beaten up. Yeah, nah, wow, this thing is just back down to zero almost. Well, anyways, yeah, no, this is not the thing to trade, just leave it alone. TSM is the only one little bit still going up on near to all-time highs, but let's see if this thing wants to cool off or wants to stay up here. But yeah, it's not bearish though. The structure break on this is below $150. But anyways, SMC, I'll do another video on this, but just really quickly show you that I'm in the making money already on this, so looking great. And just want to show you Micron as well real quick. This thing is still staying up there. Structure break is below 124.84 cents, but then 50 days moving average, watch that down there. All right, QQ and SPY, just quickly take a look at that, and then we'll wrap it up this video. All right, QQ, again, just looking to break the structure now, and that would be at 449. So this we are still in the distribution phase, sell-off is coming, and that's what I said in my video on Friday with QQ and SPY, that I want to see another day if it's just a one-off, right? And then yeah, we are still running into the supply zone, and yeah, but the structure break is below 449, almost there. SPY, now SPY is interesting case. Structure became bullish, but now yes, we have lost the structure again, 524, and that's why I want to see after these one-offs that is it going to continue. But again, this more likely is resulting into a distribution phase. Today's red candle is marking a little bit of a confirmation of that. Let's see how the day closes, but anything below, if we close below 20 days moving average, especially below 524, structure is weaker again, and then we are again watching $518. All right, but anyways, that's it for this video, guys. If you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe. Looks like AMD is getting a little bit bought back up, and that's why I want to have that confirmation of break below 20 days moving average. You got my point, right? Because look at it, where is it getting bought back up? At just above 20 days moving average. That's why I want to see that extra confirmation. All right, guys, anyways, I'll see you in my next videos, and take care.